right, Joe, what do you think makes a great slider?
For me, I think there has to be a balance of what's inside that bun in the bun. It can't be too much bun, can't be too much like meat or protein. Just has to be that right combination to make that right bite, and there has to be some just pops of flavor. You have to just be surprised. I think that's what's going to win today, is some kind of big surprise in the middle of that bite that's just going to blow people away.
Awesome. What do you like to cook in your own backyard?
Oh golly, what do I like to cook? I like to cook, well, I like to cook brisket, but I usually don't give myself enough time to cook brisket. So ribs are my go-to because I can do those in about a half day. But golly, I love pork shoulder and all the things. We love it. One of my greatest kind of claims to fame is that my daughters, for their birthday, always want ribs.
Hey.
So hey, I'm training them up right, you know? Train up a child. There's something in the Bible even about that. I think barbecue is biblical. That's what you heard it here first.
That sounds kosher to me. All right, good. All right, thank you.